Back to my channel, Doris's Daily Deeds, where I discuss everything from fashion, beauty, luxury to lifestyle. As you can tell by the title, this is going to be my honest review and unboxing of this Diptyque fragrance. So if you are interested in seeing exactly what this fragrance entails, what it's all about, for the first time with me, make sure you go ahead and keep on watching. But before we get into that, I see all of my new subbies and I just want to say hello, hello, hello. You guys have been coming at a rapid rate and I am loving it. Thank you guys so much. You guys do not go unnoticed, and trust me, I'm gonna be having a giveaway real soon. So make sure that if you're watching this, you want to make sure you're subscribed because you don't want to miss this next giveaway. I'm telling you, you are going to love it. But if you have not hit the notification bell yet, go ahead and hit that right now. And of course, make sure you are commenting, sharing, hitting that thumbs up button, because again, all that stuff helps, but that thumbs up, that really does the trick. That really helps your girl's numbers. So thank you guys so much for all that you've been doing. And without further ado, we're going to go ahead and just jump right into this unboxing. Okay, so guys, yes. I went ahead and I am trying for the first time a Diptyque fragrance. Now, I have really been trying to get into fragrance. I have not really been into fragrance, like, not how I am now, for a really long time. I mean, I thought that, buying perfumes here and there, would suffice, but no, I'm seeing there's a whole fragrance community out there. And they're rubbing off on me, okay, guys? So, first things first, let's go ahead and just jump right in. Okay, so I ordered this from a company called luckyscent, and the reason I went through them, and no, it's not because I got it cheaper or anything like that. I paid the exact same price it would have been on the Diptyque website, but the Diptyque website is sold out of this particular scent. Another thing, this is a blind buy, so I am very particular about what I'm out here blind buying. I do not have a Diptyque boutique in my area, so, I have to kind of take what I can get. So I'm smelling this for the first time right now with you guys. So let me go ahead and just open this packaging up. I'm really excited. We're going to get into some specs in just a second here. So I'm just taking off the plastic, which is really easy to come off. Okay, hold on. I'm smelling something. Let me see if I like it. So it's just a white Diptyque box, and this is in the scent Amber. So I heard Dadu Chic talk about this fragrance, but we'll get into exactly why I went ahead and, took the splurge on this particular item. So I'm going to go ahead and just take this out and show you what it looks like. Here it is. You get a substantial amount of fragrance in here, and this bottle, I mean, this definitely does feel luxurious. I'm not even going to lie. So let me go ahead and smell it for the first time. I'm getting a little bit of a whiff of what it smells like just by opening up the box, but I'm just like, I can't wait to finally see what this smells like. This literally has been sitting on my table for like a week. Or not a week, but maybe a couple days. And I've just been so anxious to open it. But I'm like, nope, I'm going to do it with my viewers, with my subscribers, because... yeah. Oh my, this smells amazing. Oh my goodness. Now, okay, this is a room spray. So this is like an air freshener type of thing, but they're trying to, make it sound a little more luxurious. So they are calling this a Parfum d'Intérieur. Y'all, just by sniffing it, I don't even know if I would only want this in my house. Like, I would want this on my body, but let me go ahead and just spray it in the air. Oh my goodness. To be honest, guys, it smells like, whoo, y'all. I'm sorry, I'm just like, because I sprayed it off to the side. This is like Chanel number 5 in an air freshener. And it's intensifying. Like, as we sit here, the fragrance is like intensifying, like right now as we speak. OMG, I see why she loves this. Like, and I see why it's sold out. Like, I really need to stock up. I need to stock up. Now, okay, let's get into like the specs and how much it costs and all that stuff. First of all, this bottle feels very, like the bottle is just amazing. Like this bottle, the feel of it. I mean, it's a very, very sturdy glass bottle. You can hear I have nails, so you can hear my nails hitting it. So first of all, that's one great thing. But then second of all, the price point of this is not very, okay, it's not like a Glade air freshener. So let me go ahead and start there, because I know everybody's opinion of a price and everything is subjective. So no, this is not the price of a Glade plug-in, but it's also giving off a totally different scent, vibe, quality, all of that, you know, just from that one spray of a Glade plug-in. But okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just look at the price on here. 1 second, let me go ahead and get out the little slip. Oh, it doesn't even have a price. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll insert the price somewhere on the screen while I'm editing this, but I believe it retailed for $68 if I'm not mistaken, which of course, I know what you guys are thinking. Oh my God, you spent $68 on a room spray. I did, and I'm very happy that I did it because it smells great. And another thing is, with home fragrance right now, I am just having a hard time finding things that really just work for me and my aesthetic. Candles, I'm really trying to like stay away from candles just because I don't know, like I said, I haven't been having the best of luck, and then me just physically having to burn them, blow them out, all that stuff. So I haven't really been big on candles, and then just trying to find natural candles that actually have a good throw, it's just too much for me. Now, I'm not 100% sure that this is a natural fragrance. I'm going to probably more than likely assume that it's maybe not. However, and when I say natural, I mean like, you know, without the, like vegan, without the use of like parabens and stuff like that. That has some parabens in it. We're not even gonna, yeah, that right there has some parabens in it. But yeah, like I just love that scent. But yeah, I can't do like the little plugins anymore because I have an infant and she kind of gets into everything. So I have to pretty much like keep everything unplugged in here. Candles, you know, like I said, she just gets into everything, and I'm just not comfortable with the baby just burning candles all the time. Maybe every now and again, but I just wanted something that was really still going to give me that vibe. I didn't really want to break the bank, so I don't consider that breaking the bank because it's not something I'm obviously going to just be spraying all day every day. And just that one you know, spray, it just did so much. So, you know, for that to be my first blind buy of a fragrance, I'm really, really impressed. I mean, like I said, I've done like sample blind buys, but to get like a full bottle of something and not know how it smells for that price point, no, that's definitely not something that I would do. But like, I'm still selling it right now. Like, it's like, it really is intensifying. That's why I see why they are saying like that intense part on the bottle. Now, the place that I bought it from, it's like a vendor. I believe they're located in LA, if I'm not mistaken. Now, they still had it in stock. I had was found just kind of was told like through word of mouth about this place, so I did trust it as a credible place to get the fragrance. So that's why I went ahead and went with luckyscent. And then what I liked about them is that you do get 4 free samples of any like type of niche fragrance. So if you haven't shopped with luckyscent before, it's definitely a place where you can get niche fragrances, you know, things that aren't common that you can get anywhere else. And yeah, it was like the perfect time to just try out different niche fragrances. I didn't really care for the type of applicator that came with it, so that's why I'm not even going to bother trying to just go over what the samples were that I got. But I put it like this: they were a bunch of Byredo fragrances, and I don't know about Byredo after smelling those samples, but that's another video for another day. But other than that, yes, I mean, that pretty much was it. That brings us to the end of the video. So hopefully this was helpful to somebody. If you guys were thinking about getting some Diptyque, or, you know, contemplating saying, should I go ahead and pull the trigger and spend the extra money? Yes, do it. Like, I honestly am just, I'm really impressed. They have so many different things on their site. So if you're a candle girl, if you are a person that just likes, like, I think they even have something that kind of just hangs and gives off a scent. I am impressed. Like I said, you know, it's not, you know, 100%, you know, natural and all that. So if you're one of those types of people, it's not that, but it's good, y'all. So that brings us to the end of the video, and I want to say thank you guys so much for watching if you made it this far, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.